Hey guys, I had the opportunity to purchase this bike. It's sort of a hodgepodge of parts from Suzuki that one of the guys was able to get everything for me and complete the bike. It is a, obviously, Ken Roczen replica. The frame itself is a factory Suzuki frame from when Ken Roczen raced for Suzuki. And I'm not sure 100% if Ken Roczen raced on this frame or not, so full disclosure. But it is a factory frame, there's no VIN. It still has an AMA sticker on it. It doesn't have the triple trees suspension, and these wheels are stock. We do have for other graphics, plastic, we do have the race wheels that have the factory even hub, which is hard to get. I just didn't want to pay all the money for the suspension and triple trees. I think the triple trees alone were just retarded. I could piece it together, but it just, I don't want to have $45,000 in a Ken Roczen build. But pretty much what I have here is a full built motor, and I have almost all the parts to do another motor, which is crazy. So full factory motor that he would have raced with. Frame has a whole bunch of titanium nuts, bolts, all that fun stuff. Exhaust, I have, I think, another exhaust and a whole bunch of other goodies. For example, you'll see we have a whole nother set of plastics that go with the other set of wheels that has a signed #1 plate. So it has his #1 plates as well. What else is pretty cool with this? That's it. Just cool to have the opportunity to have something that's put together and not really a true factory bike that was complete from him, but at least something that's just different to add to the collection. That's still like really hard parts to get. So that's it.
Did Ken Roczen race with #1? #1
yes,
plate? Okay.
Yeah, and he had the red plates that year as well. Yep.
Very cool.
Yeah, which is super cool. You'll see I have several Suzukis, and it's just from knowing a lot of the mechanics or support staff for the teams. And I've been really blessed with those relationships, great people. And they like to see it go in a collection where it's gonna stay in a collection as well. Which I'm sure is just as important for them as well. So we'll be posting up some other bikes too, like Ricky Carmichael's practice bike. I was fortunate enough to get that, and we'll talk more about that as well. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe, like, and we appreciate all your support, and that's what keeps me motivated to keep doing these videos for you. So I greatly appreciate it, you guys.